Today I'm going to talk about one of the most important question in whole PTE exam, which is read aloud. Hello everyone, this is Srijana Kusal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Read aloud seems easy and simple because all you need to do is read the sentences on the screen. But that's totally wrong. It is not that simple because most of the people cannot pronounce the word correctly. Some people are unable to maintain fluency. Some people mumble too much and hesitate too much. Oftentimes, we don't realize a kind of mistakes we are making when we actually do it. In the read aloud, you will be given a text that can be up to 60 words long. It may have up to 3 to 4 sentences. You will have 35 to 40 seconds to prepare before the actual recording starts. In this preparation time, read the text loud and find out the difficult words for you to pronounce. You can skip the difficult word if you are unable to pronounce it in a correct way. Then you have actually speaking time, which is 40 seconds. Here you can read the text exactly same. You have to read the text exactly same as it is. You are not allowed to alter anything. If you do so, you will lose the marks for your content. You will be marked based on your fluency, pronunciation, and content. From fluency and pronunciation, you will get 5 marks each. And marks of the content depends on the length of the text. From read aloud, you will get points in both speaking and reading. In this section, you have to speak fluently at the natural pace. There is a misconception that you have to read the text as fast as possible, but that is totally wrong. You can take a slight pause on comma and full stop. You should avoid long pauses. It says no pauses at all because you should avoid any long pauses, but a slight pause on comma and full stop is allowed so that you can take a breath there. You can take a breath on full stop and comma, but no long pauses are allowed. Hesitations like should be avoided. Just have to read the text without any natural fillers. Do not repeat anything and do not try to correct anything. If you make a mistake, just continue, but do not correct it. As soon as you finish, just click the next button. Press the next button as soon as you finish speaking. In the read aloud tasks, you should never repeat or correct anything. If you know you are making some mistakes while reading, you should never try to fix that. You just need to read the sentence fluently and ignore mistakes if happens. Here, pronunciation plays a vital role. You should be as clear as possible and pronounce every word in a correct way. I have seen most of the non-native speakers tries to imitate or copy the accent of native speaker. But you should not do that. Here, pronunciation is important rather than accent. Be clear and pronounce each and every word in a correct way. Do not try to copy any accent. If you want to know more tips and tricks about PTE and NATI, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye for now.